You know what? I'm kinda happy that my channel is kind of growing back. It's kind of growing back over the years, over the days. But still one problem, bruh. Wait, no, that's not a problem. Wait, let's see. Oh, that's his new video like 12 hours ago. 2, 3, and 4. Wait, didn't say the series is kind of like dying, or like actually dying. You know, before I judge, I'm just gonna watch it.
Alright guys, I'm looking through my soundboards. Everything's looking good. We got Newt Newt. We also have this thing. What's it again? Yeah, we already know that. Okay, let's scroll down even more. Oh, we got this metal pipe falling sound effect. We also have this Bluetooth device thing.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
We also have this. The hell, Riz. Yeah, whatever.
What?
The hell's this?
Brother, may I? No. I am starving, brother.
No. What the fuck? Bro, what the hell? What? No, this can't be true.
What's happening, brain rot?
There is brain rot in my soundboard? There is brain rot in my soundboard?
Brain rot in your soundboard. Let's take a look at my soundboard app. Real quick. Only just a little bit. But hey, that's alright. And I also have this on my other phone too. That's why I, like, yeah. A little bit of, like...
Trallallero trallallà.
And...
Bombardiro crocodilo.
And...
No, la polizia, no.
And this...
Tung 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 sahur.
I have a little bit of...
Start digging in your butt, Gwen.
I have a little bit of, funnies and not funnies and... these type of, soundboard. But it ain't that much. It ain't that much, brain rot. Yeah, I think you need to download my app, bruh. You need to download my app. Oh shit, I forgot I disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Okay, we're now connected to the... What the fuck? The fuck? Okay, let's go back to... go back to this video right here.
The hell's this?
Brother,
Hell. What? No, this can't be true. There is brain rot in my soundboard? There is brain rot in my soundboard? No!
It's crazy.
That can't be true!
It's crazy.
Bombardiro.
That can't be true! There's a brain rot on my soundboard. Alright.
What the fuck is that? But I'm gonna make it separate. I'm gonna separate this video from the other, and then I'm gonna make a video about erasing this video. By the way, I'm gonna post this video that I have right now on TikTok. So, yeah, Cosmic, you're cooked. Yeah, meme soundboard, yeah. Yeah, bro, you cooked. Little bro cooked. Should I upload this on my TikTok? I don't know. Nah, I ain't gonna. I ain't gonna worry about my TikTok account. Steven had creating more boats. With the PVS movie. I mean, a series. Cancelled. This series. The Pokemon Crystal gameplay. What are you talking about? Wait, you have a movie? A movie, bruh? Well, you have a Pokemon Go series, but is it technically a movie? Yeah, it's technically a movie. I kind of like Pokemon Go stuff. That's cool. I like Pokemon Go stuff in general. We'll probably like some of the Roblox stories, like this. Okay, never mind. I don't like freaking Roblox stories. Because me and my cousin watched a little bit of gay Roblox stories. I was like, what the fuck? And some of them, and some of the videos were funny as fuck. But anywho, yeah, this is gonna be a separate video. We're gonna react to the Pokemon video after I upload this video. So, if you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys want me and Cosmic to collab again, like this video, like and subscribe. Peace the fuck out.